பாவைட்டி என்ற பேரை போதுமே, அது ஒன்றே போதுமே. கட்டும் வீட்டின் பாதுகாப்பை பாவைட்டி உறுதி செய்யுமே. பாவைட்டி நல்ல தேர்வு என்று சொல்லுமே. உலகோடு வீடு
Sir,
What's taking them so long?
don't worry, sir. Which country are they coming from?
From London.
Oh, have they, sir?
No. Not until I see my grandson. Hey, God bless. Hey, 3 years since he's born. I'm seeing him only now.
He's gonna be here only, Dad. Come, quick, give him to me. You were asking me about my achievements, my wife, Mahati, and my son. Paresh Rai is my best friend.
Yeah, the prince and the pauper. What about me?
Our chariot here. Listen, our Krishna has earned lots of money in foreign countries and come back here for us. He is planning to construct a sugar factory here. Not only that, one in every family gets a job. As per my dad's wish, 50% of the profit goes to everyone in the village. What happened?
Isn't that Shiva?
Yes. What's this, Shiva? Hand over the money without making a noise. You bloody rascals! You traitors! I'll finish you all here now. Krishna, wait. Leave him to me. You want money, is it? You want money? You want money, is it? You want money? Hey Paresh, I am king and you are pauper. How could you kill me? How could you do this? I also want money. I also want to go to foreign countries. I cannot be your secretary.
Welcome, Mahalakshmi, welcome. Oh, it's hot, it's burning. Money's our money. Hot money. Give half, take full. City is overflowing with the counterfeits. Original counterfeit. Bye, good morning, bye.
Morning. Asset. Day after tomorrow is delivery. Is the printing over?
It'll be over, but packing will be delayed.
We lost 10 of our boys in last month's incident. Need fresh boys.
Yes, police have intensified search operations. We can use the boy
A
to...
population of 100 million. You can't find me boys. Select 10 of them for me.
Yes.
Yes, boss.
Acid. Here are the boys.
Hello, brother. Morning.
Acid Durga.
In this setup, we'll surely end up as coolies.
What do you do?
I sell tickets in black.
And you?
He sells terrace. I'm Baba. Blade Baba. Rowdyism, extortion, and terrorizing is my profession.
Fatty acid.
Seems fond of eating and sleeping. Appoint him as the office boy. Your salary will be on par with software engineers. Work discreetly.
Yes, sir.
Go.
Hey, finish it quickly.
Brother, isn't it risky to carry so much money?
Yes, it is. Problems from police and Das's gang. We lost our boys in a recent gang war. That's why you are here.
When do we get into problems?
Generally, everything goes well for a period. But if our time is bad, then we don't know what will actually happen.
Hey, Acid, believe printing is excellent? And Gandhiji is looking glamorous on the notes? Oh God, our time is bad. Who are these kids? New batch?
Hey, Peter, we are already late for delivery.
Very true.
Your time is up. You get pregnant and we deliver.
No one can find me here.
Acid, sir.
You guys. Huh? Who's this?
It's our leader. Hey, you! You come on a cycle to fight?
Have you forgotten the history of the revolution created by a cycle? Or did you think that no one would come on a cycle anymore?
Who are you?
Satyan.
Satan?
I am Satyan to my people and to cunning jackals like you. Satan.
Do you know who I am? Das! Follower of Das!
Who should I be afraid of? Is it you or Das that I should be afraid of?
Das is the one who terrorizes the whole city. Don't you know that?
Then this fellow is dust.
Hey! I am the right hand of Das! You must be afraid of me too!
Then Das is dust.
Hey! Hey! We have seen thousands like you!
Really? Then I must be 1001. You wouldn't have seen this type of cinema. You will see new scenes. Too much violence. Ross's right hand is broken. Who is his left hand?
Super 8, yeah?
Run! Run! Police! Police! Come! Police! Police! Get out fast! Run!
You jump off.
Jump! Let's get it! Let's get it! Hurry up!
Hey, have a matchbox.
Yeah. You want a cigarette?
Brother Das, many Pandits said our building has bad vastu. Northeast should not have weight.
Come this side. Finished. You were standing northeast and you were the heaviest one. Where is Peter?
Sir,
Where is the stuff? Oh, though PR is in Hong Kong, Setu is maintaining good quality. Sample is okay, man, but where is the stuff?
This is all I could get.
Hey, are you joking? Huh?
It's true, not a joke.
Rascal, I will burn you alive.
took a group with you and came back empty-handed. Are you playing with me?
I got all the stuff. Suddenly a new fellow came and beat us all up.
Showed us all a cinema. PR's material is good. His men are also good. I have a bunch of idiots around me. And you want a drink? Hey, nothing. What happened?
I told him I am your right hand and he broke it.
Oh, it's okay. You managed to get money at least for petrol. What, are you feeling bad? You are giving back the keys of sumo? He has blown up a sumo. Hey, who the hell is that new currency?
Satan. Satyan, sir.
Satyan, Satan,
If that Satyan hadn't come, we would have lost the entire lot. He is the right person for this kind of job. Where can we find him?
Child Satya, an old child has come to see you.
Let me go.
Move aside. Old child.
No. Acid Durga.
Acid used for cleaning bathrooms, is it?
The entire city under the power of acid.
Oh, you have the power of cleaning all the bathrooms in the city, right?
I was a little weak yesterday.
Don't bore us, come to the point.
Now, why don't you allow me to talk? It's okay. Brother has asked you to come.
Brother? Who is brother?
Don't you know who brother is?
I know only one brother who was loved and adored by one and all in Andhra Pradesh. He is now in heaven. Another person like him is yet to be born. What's the matter? Tell me.
Seshu. PR Seshu has summoned you.
No summons. I want advance.
Advance. We have been working for ages, never got a salary.
Salary is for those who work. Advance is for the one who's getting work done. You won't understand. Get him on the phone.
He is demanding advance.
Give him the phone.
Certain.
You want an advance? You've become a hero with just one fight?
Not for that one fight. I am famous for fights. Advance is a must.
Yesterday you weren't paid. Why did you fight?
Oh no, that was only a trailer. It's free. If you want to see the main cinema, advance booking is a must. But once you enter with a ticket, you get lots of masala.
Boss, he will be useful for us.
Bye.
Acid, pay him 1 lakh.
Okay. No salaries for us, but advance for this, right?
Hey, give it to father. It's enough for the month's expenses.
Can't even thank me. What head weight?
Hey, only weight reduced, not head weight. It's in my blood. Get lost?
Hey, what are you laughing at? Let's go.
మసుల్లో మీడే పెద్ద మసుగాడు లేరు క్లాసుల్లో మీడే మహానాటుగాడు లేరు ఎలగొద్దు గెట్టుగాడు Rules, he's a gangster. Don't call him junior, he's a prankster. He's a monster. He's fearless as a tiger. He's a ruthless fighter. Never will be a falter. It's his game. 1, 2, 3, నేను కథలి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి మాయస్తా పగలు రాత్రి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిరి 1, 2, 3, నేను కథలి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి మాయస్తా పగలు రాత్రి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిరి Shout. I'm a warrior, that's my license. Battle on. 1, 2, 3 నేను కంతులి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి పాయస్తా పగలు రతిలి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిలి 1, 2, 3 నేను కంతులి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి పాయస్తా పగలు రతిలి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిలి Some things I've just got to do. Stand up, where's the fight in you? I'm ready, come on, bring it on. 1, 2, 3 నేను కంతులి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి పాయస్తా పగలు రతిలి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిలి 1, 2, 3 నేను కంతులి నాకు నేనే రాజు మంత్రి పాయస్తా పగలు రతిలి పై పత్తే ఉంది తిమిలి
Today's weather report. The sky looks cloudy, but there are no chances of rain. The maximum
Varalakshmi
temperature is
wants to
expected
wash
be
her
27
face
degrees
with
Celsius and
rainwater.
minimum temperature is 28 degrees
It will happen.
Hey, Vada, it's raining! Come, Vada, it's time to go to Bollywood. Come on. Vada, surely you'll become a heroine.
No Tollywood, Bollywood. Hollywood is correct for me.
Varalakshmi, it's pouring. Come quickly, Vada.
Daddy, Vara wanted it to rain in the morning and it's raining. Vara doesn't want it to rain now. See? Bye, Daddy.
Wilson, sir, I've got the suitcase.
Is the minister there?
Wilson, how are you?
How can I be well when PR is in Hong Kong? He wants a share in every business I do. He thinks I'm his slave. My tension is more about my brother who might cross swords with him. But you are happy, no?
Oh no, not like that. I'm busy with my daughter's wedding.
That's why I sent a wedding gift, JP.
Then these girls?
Gifts for you.
Good. Look, PA, I don't know what you will do, how you will do, or whom you will catch. Get an inquiry commission appointed and make sure that PR reaches India within a couple of days.
Do something or else.
Minister, if you can't tell me, I'll finish him off.
Relax.
No, I'll finish him.
Where is PR?
Paresh Rai, PR, dealer of cheap liquor, printing counterfeit currency, extortion, bogus trade, shipping. Grew up to the level of doing business in Hong Kong.
Rumors. Do you have proof?
Yes, it is with the Indian government. An inquiry commission has been appointed to probe your activities. After India, you are behaving like a don here also. Home Minister has taken up this case personally.
Isn't JP the Home Minister? His daughter is getting married, right?
First, he wants to finish your case. No more talk. Here's the ticket. Evening flight. Your time is up.
What's the time in India?
Hey, what's happening here? Where's everybody? Hey, look, everything is coming on TV.
Hey, JP. How is the quality of the DVD?
Come on, my dear. Come on, my...
Our people are ready with the DVD.
Oh no!
At Aaj Tak, ZTV, NDTV, and all other TV channels are ready to telecast at my word.
Oh, why me?
Imagine your state if that happens.
I have to make a living out of acting in ads. No, Seshu, please tell me what you want.
So we are starting in the evening.
Oh my God, stop everything I say.
Sir?
Now you go immediately and fall at Pia's feet. Or else put the phone at his feet and I will apologize to him directly.
What happened, sir?
What else to do? In my position at this age, I can't be seen doing condom ads. Try to understand.
I'll apologize, sir.
Tell the minister, PR will not come if he is summoned. He will only come when he wants to. What will you say?
PR comes only when he wishes, never on somebody's compulsion.
I love to hear someone uttering my name with fear in his voice. Don't get excited. Cool down, officer. He was my broker and now wants to override me. Wagging his tail too much. We need to do something about the problem.
Let the lucky charm flow now, Bill!
2, 3. Any more idiots to bet?
Oh, Mo.
Bill, we just thought of you and you are here.
Thanks.
Huh.
What is this?
Number game. He has already looted 5,000 from us.
Really?
Yeah.
Now see my touch. Hey, Junior, let's fight.
Money first.
Okay, Junior.
Originals.
My lucky number. 1.
6.
Seshu is a funny fellow. He can't get money from this rat once the work is done.
Acid!
Huh? Bye, coming.
He is saved. Luckily he doesn't have a wife to bet on like Pandavas.
Exhibition Raj has not paid the settlement dues. He's not even picking up his phone. It'll become a problem if PR comes to know about it. Do something.
How did he manage to make us all idiots? Huh? What happened? God burnt a hole in this and burnt our pockets. That's Satan.
He woke up in the morning thinking of the exhibition. See? It has happened in the evening. That is Varalakshmi. I'm fed up with the fantasy of luck. We have to settle matters today, even if we have to spend money.
Such an handsome fellow will come to marry you. Raj empties everybody's pockets. Now someone is attacking Raj. Lee, attack!
It's nothing, it's nothing. It's our people, close friends talking. Come on.
Land problem has been solved. Business going on well. Because of whom?
Because of PR.
Then, why didn't you pay the money?
I'll pay it with flowers.
If you don't, I'll sprinkle the same flowers on your dead body. Call him.
Hello.
Brother, PR brother, it's me, Exhibition Raj. I'll definitely pay him money tomorrow. He has aimed my own gun against me. Please tell him not to shoot.
Give him the phone.
I'll give it to him.
Acid.
No, Satyan.
New recruit.
He'll pay. Leave him.
I'll pay first thing in the morning.
If not, this goes off.
Okay, brother.
I really, really like her. What are you waiting for? Go, go!
She's like a swan.
Oh, are you alright, Satya?
I'm hooked. Is your name Swan?
You swine. Just because you think you're macho, girls will not fall for you.
Satyan.
Swine.
Satan, that's his name.
Satan?
For clear minds, Satyan, confused one Satan. Irrespective of name, character is the same.
Shouldn't trouble with such people.
Ladies, ladies. Anytime, be here. For a taking lodge, pick up a card for free. Lee. This fellow is going to be a sober hit.
No doubt about that.
Start, Shanvi!
Row tonight.
Why is it taking so long?
Bhai, Seshu bhai, forgive me brother. Take this money. The entire amount is here. Where did the Satya come from? He pointed the gun here. I'm still breathless. I called PR in panic. Please tell him that I'm sorry. Brother Acid, I've settled the whole thing.
Spoke to PR. Acid, what is this?
Hello.
Payment.
I've settled it.
Go.
Oh God, he's acting too smart. Let me go talk to him. Hey Junior, this is too much.
My hair. I feel the same. Got to get it cut.
Done a stupid job. What's your relationship with Rao?
Not a stupid job. A job no stupid has done. I take advance. I do things in advance.
Hey, why did you call PR?
I pointed a gun at his eye and he called.
No direct dealings with PR. You take orders from me.
1 minute, bye. Hey Junior, how did you come to know about Rao matter?
You were discussing with Seshu about it in your room.
How did you hear what you were discussing in there?
I can hear really well from what I see.
Do you think we are such fools?
Go to the room and speak. I'll
You'll
prove
prove.
it.
Let me see that.
This Satyan has become a pain. Seshu pays peanuts. So I thought I'll take some money from Raj's payment. If I trust this dirty Seshu, I'll become a pauper. He said that.
Did he tell?
Peanut salary.
Huh?
Dirty face.
Oh no, bye. You're my guard, bye. I didn't think you would understand. That's why.
Hey,
Seshu bhai, you command him and in turn he will order us to do it. I came to know that Raj was going to Bombay for 10 days, so I finished the job.
Hello.
Seshu, got the money from Raj?
Yes, he paid.
Time's up for Wilson and his brother. Send 3 of our guys. Who will you send?
Bharat. Baba. Acid.
Get the passports ready. Banerjee,
Hey, Acid. The 3 of you are going to Hong Kong. PR's work. Get your passports ready.
Okay, bye.
Hey, Bharat.
So you see, Junior, you may do things in advance, but only seniors get chance. Tension? Don't worry. Next time I'll recommend you to PR. Huh? Huh?
Shh. PR.
Bye. Phone bye. Switch on the speaker. Switch on the speaker. It must be about me. He must listen to it.
hey Seshu,
Yes, PR.
avoid Acid. All back. Who's that kid who collected the money from Raj?
Satya.
Satya. He's sharp and fast. Send him.
Huh?
Okay.
Take me with you, man.
Welcome, ma'am. And that seat. Hey, window seat.
This looks just like a Volvo bus.
There, sir.
Huh? You married?
No, what's this?
The AC comes from here.
Oh my god! Swan!
What are you doing here?
Going to Hong Kong with you in this flight. Satyan, you're so lucky.
PR must have come. Hello!
Is this PR?
Huh?
Looks like an exorcist.
Hey! Bye!
Bharat Banerjee. I'll come straight to the point. Wanted by PR.
Why do you show it to us? Give it to him.
Not the photo. I want this man.
Tell me where to find him. We'll finish him.
It's not that easy. He fell out with PR's gang and formed a gang of his own. Killed 20 of our men. Younger one is always on drugs. Psycho. He knows everyone in PR's gang. Strong security around him. That's why I'm sending you. Enter like workers. PR wants him alive.
escort. Leave him. Let's go.
You want to make your brother number one after killing me, huh? Do you think it's as easy as inhaling cocaine? Separate gang. Your brother grew bolder depending on your strength. Let's see what he'd do now that you are at my feet.
You're calling his brother? 1 minute.
How did he get this fellow to?
I can't make another trip for this fellow. I brought him too. Why call? Talk to him directly.
I like your speed. What's your name?
Satyan.
Good.
Pierre.
You joined my gang and started pimping. Now that you have grown up as a broker, you want to send me away with minister's help? Sending away PR is not as easy as sending girls to customers. Huh?
Pierre, I know that you won't leave us alive. Yet it was I that planned, it was I that executed. Kill me. My brother is too young to die. Don't kill him, Pierre. Take revenge on me.
You are my target, Wilson. But I will not kill you. If I do, you will die in a second. Brother, why have you locked horns with PR? He has killed me, brother. This is revenge. Now keep crying for the rest of your life, Mr. Wilson.
Oh God, I can't believe it. Priya does everything in style. How big is this property?
1,000 crores.
Huh?
1,000 crores.
Bhai, when are you coming to India?
For what?
To fix my second marriage.
Idiot. Marriage. Be happy and single like me. Mwah. Hi, sweetheart. Where did you get this one?
I got him, bhai. Trained him for 3 months in my style. Hey.
He's an orphan. And a little arrogant too.
Just a minute. Hey, young man. I like you. You know, at your age I was like you. Ask what you want. Women, money, anything on this earth.
We are giving him advance, bhai.
Boss is asking you, right? Tell him.
Come on, tell me what you want.
That chair, huh?
Not the chair. I want the position.
Hey, are you drunk?
I get drunk without liquor. In any field, I should be at the top. In this field, this is the top position. I don't beg. I learned it myself.
What makes you so arrogant?
My self-esteem. No one can inspire me. I inspire myself.
This junior, no? He wants to become senior very fast.
Shut up!
I like you. Stay for a week, enjoy and go.
I have to leave tomorrow. Children will be waiting for me.
What? Children?
Big gang of orphans, bhai. Waste of time. I want to go to... I have to get ready for my marriage.
Like you.
I'm back. Yes. My luck is back. My luck is back.
They say ladies first. You are second also.
Aren't you feeling drowsy?
Yeah. Dose is not sufficient. Cheat. Kiss is not a kiss when the eyes are closed. Come now.
Sweet tsunami, my cute honey, I can't wait anymore.
The moment I saw you, rugged and handsome, I knew I couldn't let you go.
You are a pretty woman, oh, you make my dreams come true.
We just look so good together. Oh, I know your love is so true.
You're so beautiful, your innocent smile. Can't you guess what's on my mind? Yeah. no more waiting, baby, don't let us just leave to love us all.
Now's the time, so come on over. Let us not wait anymore.
You are my lady, the star of my heart. I just wanna let you know.
Can't leave you anymore, don't wanna let you go. You are my destiny.
Sweet tsunami. The look you give me is like a dart. Your eyes just pierce me through my heart.
Your eyes follow me around. Your love just keeps me always bound.
Come, let's make this dream just happen. You are my lovely spark.
I give my love to you completely. It's not dream, it's reality.
Can't leave you anymore, don't wanna let you go. It is our destiny. Sweet tsunami, sweet tsunami, my cute honey, I can't wait anymore.
The moment I saw you, rugged and handsome, I knew I couldn't let you go.
You are my pretty woman, oh, you make my dreams come true.
We just look so good together. Oh, I know your love is so true.
You're so beautiful, you innocent smile. Can't you guess what's on my mind? Yeah.
China.
Satya, Chinna's kidneys are damaged. Can't be cured with medicines. Has to go through dialysis. He has to be hospitalized, and the cost will be around 10 lakhs.
I'll get it this evening, doctor.
Bhai, why not dollars? Why can't we make counterfeit dollars also, bhai?
PR is very patriotic.
Oh no, Satyam is coming.
Wait, boy is busy right now.
You arrogant idiot! Can't you see we're doing something important?
I want to talk to Bhai. Bhai, my China is in the hospital. Kidney problem. I need 10 lakhs urgently.
Aha! My mother is also very sick. I am senior. Did I ask money?
Hey!
Hey, do you think this is a government office or something? You get money from insurance funds?
Necessity, Bhai. He will die if he doesn't get treated.
Let him die. You lose one orphan. Less expenditure.
Well, you say the same thing if he was your child.
Don't you raise your
Wait,
voice.
in Hong Kong, PR treated him with high esteem. That's why he's treating us like idiots. There he asked for chair, here he's asking for money, tomorrow he'll ask for...
Bhai, will you give or not?
Are you threatening us? You think our gang cannot survive without you?
If the gang can survive without Satya, then Satya can survive without the gang. I want money.
He is no longer part of the gang. Throw him out!
We took risks, shed our blood and labored for you. You earned tons of money because of us. Can't you support us when we are in need? Ask it! Put the money in the case right now.
Yes.
10 lakhs!
Yes.
or else I'll blast
No,
his
no,
head.
no, don't do anything.
Here.
Come. Come. Guys, you may face the same situation in the future. Satya starting his own gang now. Those who want can join me.
If PR comes to know about it,
Not just PR. No one can stop me.
Good shot.
See who's calling.
It's me, Bharat. Yeah, tell me.
That Satya came and completely messed up everything.
Didn't know what to do. If I was in Sheshu's place, I would have committed suicide drinking acid. He is able to survive because of his strong mind. We can't help some people. Shameless.
PR. Satya picked up a fight and quit the gang. He's taken all the boys with him. Situation is pretty bad.
He's just like me. Get him on the line, I'll talk to him.
Tell me.
Hey, so you formed your own gang, huh? No chance. Be a good boy. Go to Seshu, get back into our gang. I never give anybody a second chance. But since I like you, I'll make an exception and give
You
you...
won't even get that chance. I have taken an advance. I am out of your gang.
Hey, what are you going to do? Kidnap school children? Extort money? Idiot. Listen, it's not that easy to go against me.
I took an advance in your head. 1 crore. I will wipe out your whole gang. This is the climax of your film.
Does he realize who he's talking to?
I know what I'm saying, who I'm talking to, and also know everything about you. Your story is coming to an end. No more remote control from Hong Kong. You needed me to come get you out of trouble. I cannot even say who my first victim will be. Thus, PR's chapter is over.
PR, he made PR a puppet. I have been trying for 20 years to finish off this chapter. I couldn't do it. My kid. Your cinema releases in my theater. This is only a token advance. I pray to God for your success. Take this new gun. Take the new bullets. Finish them off in style.
PR is here.
What is this? Huh? That Das has given an advance on my head to that little kid and you couldn't do anything?
Why? Not only Das. There are many in queue to pay a price for her head. Nobody had the guts till Satyan arrived to take the challenge.
Das did not call Satya. Satya himself went to him. That's why I'm saying finish off Satya in advance. His death should be a warning to anybody who wants to stand against me. Hey Bharat, tell me, these are useless fellows. Hire beasts. Hunt him down. I should see the fear in his eyes when I strangle him to death. Done. Look, careful. He is not an animal. He is a hunter himself. I want him alive.
Okay, City Square Mall. I'm waiting for you. Whom do you want to meet, Vara? Satya. Satya? Why do you want to meet him? What's your plan this time? Life's plan. I started to like him a lot. What, with just one case? You're wrong. It's 3. It is all so silly. But he's mad about me. And I don't know why. I like him too. You might be right for him, but are you sure he's right for you? There's no logic. It's kind of mad. I love him. I asked him to come here to tell him.
Just leave.
say PR's strength is his lack of weakness. Come and meet your death.
I thought PR was a man until now. I'm coming.
Stop! Don't touch him. He's mine.
I'll kill you 1 second before I die. That's my decision.
Aren't you scared? Huh? You're pointing a gun at PR.
I know that. But the bullets do not. They do not discriminate.
That much of arrogance? I will kill you.
Paresh Rai? Yes, you are Paresh Rai. Oh Jesus, do you know who you were going to kill? Your son. Yes, Paresh Rai. Satya is your son. Mahati, your wife?
Father?
Yes, my child. Just wait. Look at this.
He killed my mother. He was responsible for her death. He should be killed.
Satya, are you going to kill your own father?
Don't stop me, father. He left my mother alone and ran away. My mother suffered till her death.
No, son.
The person I didn't want to meet for 15 years is now right in front of me.
Listen to me.
I will kill him.
Satya!
You have escaped death.
Unbelievable, PR. Meeting your son like this again after 20 years.
I totally forgot that I had a son. I didn't expect to see him as a killer.
What did God say? Lamb that was lost will come back to its protector. When I was working in Mumbai in a mission hospital, your wife was sick and admitted for treatment there. Satya was a little boy then. She didn't respond to the treatment. She was shattered psychologically. She died in our Premalaya. She gave me this photo before she died and took a promise from me not to reveal to Satya about his father who deserted her. He grew up with the other orphans in the Premalaya. Satya's mission is to help the helpless that are sheltered in the Premalaya. Your son is a great soul, Paresh. He thinks you are responsible for his mother's miserable death. That was the reason he flared upon seeing you. Today is his mother's death anniversary.
My child.
No! Let my mother lie in peace. When she was alive, you left her all alone and went away. Did you ever think of my mother or me even for 1 second?
She refused to stay with
No! Don't.
Satya, he's repenting, my child.
No, father. I don't believe his crocodile tears. I had taken money from Das to kill you. Had I known that you were my father, I would have killed you for free! Go. Get lost!
As far as I know, PR had no wife. How can Satya be his son? Or PR might be playing a super trick. Is he trying to kill me? Or will Satya kill me? For hiring him to kill his own father? My God, I don't know how this cinema is going to end.
We are unable to follow your movements. Our necks are paining. All this is because of the weight on the northeast.
Northeast. Because of Vastu, can Satya become PR's son? And if there is weight on southwest, are you going to become my son? Come, dear. I'm so sorry. You lost your mother.
She died 15 years back. Thus, you must be aware of everything by now. I can't kill my father just for money. You can take back your advance.
No. I am not a butcher to tell you to kill your father. That PR has been a rival to me and to my business for past 20 years. I found in you a person capable of killing him. But you happen to be his son. What to do? What to do? Ah, he found you his long lost son after 20 years. If I kill you, it's like hitting him. How is that? Wonderful, Das! Hands off, Das! Yeah!
Thus, I have only returned your advance, but the gun and bullets are still with me. Unused. Shall I use them?
Joke. It was just a joke.
I don't joke.
See, his speed. Whose blood is it? PR's, Tiger. What will you do now? Are you going to join your father or stay with me?
I won't join any team. I'll take care of myself. If everyone does the same, it will be good. Hello?
Congrats to PR's only son. You're very lucky.
That is my bad luck. Talking to you is my good luck.
Thank you. The other day, what I wanted to tell you was...
Not on the phone! Where shall we meet?
Same place?
I'll be there.
Good evening and welcome to our news bulletin. Assembly
What a
members of
technology!
because of the
We plant the bomb and see it live on TV.
You planted the bomb correctly, huh?
Correctly in the center of the jeep.
And
When it explodes, Satya will be blown into pieces.
Hi.
You wanted to say something?
The other day, what I wanted to tell you was... these days you seem to be very tensed.
No more tension. Tell me quickly, Vara.
I think...
Well, if you're feeling shy, shall we think of a code? 225?
What code is that?
That's it. In English, it's 143. I love you. In our special code, it's 225, right?
That's it. 225.
Look, Satya, how everything is falling into place. Oh my God, did she really say it? Don't talk anymore. Let me enjoy. Confirmed?
Yeah, confirmed.
Sure.
225.
explosion has been reported.
Bomb
in
exploded!
cities. According to police, a lot of people have been injured and 10 people have been reported dead in the explosion. Details of the dead is not known yet. Here is
Who kept the bomb in my jeep?
No, no, he is not the man! He is the man! He is the culprit who fixed the bomb! How can Hey! If you come near, I'll kill her! I will kill her!
Kill her?
Huh?
She is nothing to me.
Stop it! Stop it, I say! Hey! Sir, get into the jeep.
Keep on my...
George, what's his background?
He was moving with acid for the past 6 months, sir. Recently joined Das.
Mm-hmm. Hey, what's your name?
Satya.
Satya. Oh, Satya means truthful. Father's name? What's your father's name? Why are you silent, man? What's your father's name?
PR. Father's name is PR. Is that enough?
Sir, your son?
The jeep is his.
It was run on gas cylinder. It blew up.
Sir, give them the bail papers.
Sir, you may go.
Father, shall we?
Wait, Satya. Premalya is for orphans. Definitely not for children like you who have fathers. Anytime you may be attacked by Das. Satya, PR has immense love for you. Otherwise he would not have come here. Respect my advice and go with him. Come. Come, Satya.
Welcome. Welcome, Satya. Welcome to your house. PR, Priya and my wife have come.
Small
I
boss,
see.
Seshu's daughter, come from America.
Come. Please come.
Home sweet home. Acid,
Hi.
show him the house.
Ah,
Bharat, Seshu.
Hey, Acid, take good care of him.
yes. Small boss, in Hong Kong, I had a doubt about you. Now this house is yours, chair is yours. You become a legal heir to the place where you started as an ordinary worker. It's wonderful, small boss.
Stop blabbering. Show me my room.
Up, small boss.
Stop this small boss business.
Okay, small boss.
Are you going to rape me now?
Have you decided?
Uh-huh.
Are you Priya? You look like your mother.
Will you rape? Only after knowing the details of the person? Daddy! Daddy, psycho! Rapist! Daddy!
That is Satya, PR's son.
Really? While coming out from the airport, some rascal attacked Priya. He saved her.
No, you know him already. He is dynamic. Satya, Priya, my daughter.
She looks like a mother. Confusion is yours.
Good joke.
Okay, I like this room. Shift her to another room.
Room shift. Okay, shift.
Hi, Uncle. Good morning.
Hi, Priya. Good morning. How are you?
I'm very good, Uncle. Congratulations, Uncle. You got your son.
I'm a little worried about Satya. You know, he grew up amongst laborers, very rustic. He needs to be groomed, stylized. Can you help me?
Sure, Uncle. I'll do that. I'll start grooming him. He...
What are you guys doing here, huh?
Such a big house. Look at
Why
this.
have you come here?
Where is Satya?
Hey, he's
He's sleeping inside. What do you want, huh?
From now on, this is our house. Come on, guys. Yay! Come. Let's go.
What's that? You? What are you doing here?
Just observing. Your dad asked me to change your style. I have to change your hair, do facial, change your dressing style. It's bad. Morning jog, squash, fitness, all these are important.
Fitness?
Huh?
I don't think so. Everyone knows I am fit and I always look like a hero. I don't need all this. Please leave me alone. Let me sleep.
I need fitness. Huh?
That's correct. Well said. Have all of you come? Enjoy. The entire house is yours. Hey, what's wrong with her?
Nothing. Satya, Varalakshmi is waiting for you. It's Valentine's Day, you know.
Oh God, why did you tell me earlier?
I have to tell Vara about this Priya girl. Where's your boyfriend? He'll come.
Happy Violence Day.
Violence?
Sorry, what did I say? Greetings on Lover's Day.
Thank you, and same to you. I heard that there's somebody called Priya in your house. Rambo told me. Competition, is it?
What? Competition for you? No.
Those flowers are mine.
Brother, nature belongs to all of us. Don't say that flowers are mine, branches are mine, leaves are mine, trees are mine. It sounds very bad. Seriously.
I kept it there.
Then look there. Why are you traveling us here?
My name will be there. I wrote it. Come on, move. See.
Is it this?
How come this is on my back?
Every time I meet you, something goes wrong. Once it was a fight. Another time a bomb. I'm feeling tensed.
Don't worry. No tension from now on.
Satya?
Oh my God.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. I should have said this earlier itself when I was lying next to you on your bed. But I didn't have flowers then. And later couldn't find you.
Meet Varalakshmi.
Oh, hello. Come, I want to talk to you.
On his bed. Got it, Varalakshmi? He took my flowers and she took the flowers which you gave. We should take care of ourselves outside the sentry problem. If he's a cowboy, I'm a love boy, eh?
Hey Satya, I want to get to know you. Let's go out. Let's start by being friends.
Let's go.
Am I that boring? What happened to you, Satya?
No. Go on.
You are a bore, it seems. But these flowers are mine.
Who cares? Let me sleep, would ya? Get out of the way!
Hey, what are you doing? Not here. Inside.
Come on, let's eat. Have no discipline.
Enjoy yourselves. Eat well.
Hi, cooking, eating has become routine.
Hello, get ice cream.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay, small boss. Hi, I'll go and get something for you from the hotel. You have nothing left to eat here.
Yeah, eat some more.
This beer has no sentiments at all. Come and die, all of you, you scums. Ha.
Hey, what is all this?
We're playing the PR game, you know.
PR game?
Yeah.
PR himself doesn't have any game to play. Play.
तेरा देवर दीवाना आए राम गुड़ियों का डालेगी गागो
boss, you're happily singing songs. What happened?
अरे if tomorrow we have to beg we have to practice na
Why? What's wrong now, boss?
A PR's family was like Godfather family. Now it has become a very happy joint family. Son would be daughter-in-law, 20 children, lot of activity going on.
I understand your agony. I promise you this time I'll fix up PR and his son Satya.
Please, I beg you. I can't stand your jokes anymore.
If the vastu of this building is correct,
I don't believe in Vastu. I believe in myself. This time I will aim myself. You know how? His head in the southwest and his heart in the northeast. Finish them at one shot.
Banerjee, leave for Hong Kong. It might take me 10 days to go. Carry on with that hawala.
Bye. My marriage has been fixed by. Day after tomorrow is the function. You should come.
You are committing the same mistake
His
again.
first wife ran away in the first night itself.
Not for you.
I missed by an inch.
Rambo, it's not like that. You hang a bottle and you practice, okay?
Otherwise, place an apple on acid head and practice.
Why an apple? Just finish off acid. Hey, acid!
Just missed. Otherwise, funeral, not marriage.
But both occasions will have a face.
Yeah, what's this? I'll kill you. Who gave you that gun? Don't you know it's dangerous?
If you had toys in the house, the children will play with them. You have only guns, that's why they're playing with that.
Did I ask them to stay in my house? Go. Get out. Get away from my house.
If this is my house, it's theirs too. They won't go.
We won't go.
That's right.
I don't have any relations of this sort. I'll give you 1 crore. Send them. Send them.
If you don't have relations, I don't have rules. Money is not important for me. Don't you know that Das was prepared to give me 1 crore to kill you?
Hey, is that topic necessary now? Is it necessary?
Patience, my son. Tolerance is always better than violence. What did God say?
God's advice is only for me, not for him.
Bye. Cool down. He's after all your son. Small boss, tomorrow's my wedding. You must surely come.
I won't.
Huh?
My father will not come too.
Who are you to stop me? I will go.
Das is waiting for you. You can go, but you will not be alive to come back. He'll fix you.
All this may be new to you, but not for us.
Hey, Asin.
We will come. Make your arrangements. Come.
Pierre has come.
That's it. I'm coming.
Bye. Please come, bye. Please come, bye. Move out, everybody. Move. Bye. My mother, my father.
Namaste.
That is my bride.
Go and sit.
Make sure at least this one doesn't run away.
Did I ask you?
Boss, I'm at the meeting. PR has come alone. His son has not come.
Finish that PR first. I want to hear the sound of death, not that of marriage.
Go tell Das. If he wants PR, you will have to go through his son first.
What happened, Satya?
Did I tell you not to go?
Hey. How's he?
Yeah, he's fine.
He'll always be fine. It's only my second wife who always...
brother, I came to know that the first one ran away with the Finale fella, am I right?
Who told you? I inquired. She ran away with the driver only. Oh, no.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi.
Rishmi. It's her birthday today.
Oh, many happy returns of the
Thank you.
day. Today is not just your birthday. It's my birthday too. Should have been my death day. But he saved me. You know my son? He gave me rebirth. My empire, my people, my security, what they couldn't do, he did. He risked his life to save mine. My son, I love him. He is my heir. Not just to my fortune, but to my heroism. I love you, my son.
Son is not right. Small boss is gun.
Correct. He's a tiger. I think we should celebrate. Let's celebrate.
Let's celebrate.
Uncle, I want a birthday gift.
What do you want?
Satya.
Huh? What do you do?
Manager in a chit fund company.
Salary?
Nearly 15,000.
That flat also they got only through a lottery, bhai.
Yes, sir. My daughter is very lucky.
The lottery may win your houses and foreign trips, but not a son-in-law. I can own anything that I want. That is my range. Waiting for breadcrumbs at a rich man's table is your life.
My daughter is going to be Satya's wife.
Satya became a part of my family before he knew that he's your son. You know, it was he who proposed to my daughter. My daughter told us that she likes him too.
Satya used to be an orphan. Now that you know whose son he is, let her find somebody else or send her to some party to trap somebody.
Please don't talk like that, sir. We are not such cheap people.
Do you want to decide how I should talk and whom my son should marry? You are not even worth talking to. Get me the gun. Get me.
Go! Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey! Get the car!
My goodness, it's a grave mistake. He should have been scanned last week.
Satya, PR's son.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
What happened?
The wound is small, but it's complicated. Veins carrying blood to the brain are badly damaged, might lead to a blood clot. He might faint too. He has to be careful. He should not get excited. Does he smoke or drink?
Sometimes.
Has to give it up immediately. I'll prescribe some tablets. Give it to him if he feels giddy. He should be fine. Make sure he doesn't get excited. Let's see, maybe we can prevent the surgery, okay?
Satya,
Dad,
Your-
Dad. Please, you need to rest. Don't worry. Leave it to me. I'll take care of it. Hey! Stop printing counterfeits from today. Go away from here. Get lost?
Small boss, Seshu will get angry.
Whose factory is this?
Your father's.
Who is Seshu to interfere? Shut up and do what I say. I am the boss.
Come out. Move.
Hello?
Satya, your father is called to warn my father. We are ordinary people, but we never schemed to get big alliance like you. So don't ever try to meet me. Don't even call me.
Hello?
Hey, Seshu, don't get tense like this. Leave it for now, come on.
Okay.
He'll listen to me, he's my son.
Okay. Satya has closed down the press and sent away all the workers.
Huh?
What?
What? Hey, wait. Hey, Satya, come here. What is this? I hear you closed the press.
You have earned enough. Doctors advised you not to get tense. The press will pose a lot of problems for you.
Hey,
Cigarette. Doctors warned you that you will die if you drink. Hey, Laddu, what did I tell you? Take away the stuff.
Satya, it's nothing, just a peg.
Give him poison instead. Isn't that what you want?
Hey, don't talk to him like that. He's your father-in-law.
Father-in-law?
Yes.
Oh, that's the reason. You want Varalakshmi's father, is it not?
Priya loves you. That's why we have decided.
Don't you decide for me. Don't decide. I decided on Varalakshmi much before Priya.
How can you decide? I have given you my word. You have to respect.
Priya,
Please, don't get excited.
Priya,
Please, don't get excited.
Take these tablets. Here.
Hey, take him in. If you bring up this topic again...
Why don't you speak to him? No. Hello?
Satya here. Put the phone on speaker.
Satya.
Varalakshmi, I want to talk to you. Give me a chance.
I'm in the library.
Library in the city bus, wonderful. Varalakshmi, I know you are thinking that I have changed. There is only one change. That is your love. No one can take it away from me. I'm sorry for the disgrace your father faced. I want to take you to my house with me. As my fiancé.
I'm sorry. 225.
Me also 225. Will you get off at the next stop?
Satya! Satya, they're taking Varalakshmi away. Satya! Satya!
Hey, you're a hero? Better forget her. Otherwise get killed.
I will never let you go. I've decided.
Hey, is it done?
Sesho! 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 Sesho!
What happened?
He sent his men to kill Varalakshmi just because she is an obstacle.
Why would you do that?
Ask him why. Check the phone. You will know how eagerly he is waiting for the news. Whoever tries to touch anything that belongs to me will face death.
Is that true?
Dad! Where are the tablets? Tablets, Dad. Please, go inside, Dad. Please, go inside. Relax.
Daddy, you told me that somehow my marriage with Satya will happen. Is it like this? I'm ashamed to be your daughter. Mommy, we're flying back to New York tomorrow.
Priya,
I'm sorry. Please forgive my father.
I'm sorry, Priya. I never felt the way you felt about me.
Varalakshmi, you've got a wonderful person as a husband. You're really lucky.
No more competition. It's a single hero in cinema now.
I go crazy looking at you, Mira, till it's breaking. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating. I go go crazy looking at you, mirror that is breaking. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating. अंदरा मंदु पातरा, बेचुते कल्ला मुंदरा, जयुते चिंदरा बंदरा, तू ही मेरा.
Sagama pani pani da, sagama pani ani da. Aurora,
Wanna get me now,
vai vai da,
wanna touch me now,
sexy da,
wanna touch me now,
vai vai
wanna
da.
take me now. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating.
गोरा होरी छोड़ना धीरा.
Oh my God, your eyes are making me so crazy. Tell me, girl, don't you just wanna be my baby? Show me all the things that make me lazy. Love is shining all over you, my lovely.
రాధా మాధవ నారి కేశవ అభిషేకాలన్నీ అందుకోవా.
Oh, shining, shining, baby, my smiling, smiling ruby. I'm shaking, jaldi nanne hattukova.
మరి ఇష్టంగా లాక్కోవా, సిరిగంధలాకోవా, సరసంగా చేసేవా, రసరంగా నాచేవా.
Let me show you nachiva. I go crazy looking at you, mirror till it's breaking.
గోరా హోరీ చూడరా ధీరా.
శృంగార నాయిక వర్ణాల హన్సిక చుంబిస్తానంటే నొచ్చుకోగా.
Hey sexy sexy లడక, your natural looks se keka, అసలంతా లేదో నీకి పిచ్చి కాక.
సురభోగం తగ్గేదాకా సుఖయాగం చేసేక, ఒదిగుంటావేం కైక సొగసే సంధించేక.
చప్తై చప్తై హస్కే బేవాషా.
సుఖా నిన్నే తాగా. I go crazy, तेरी खुशबू है intoxicating.
గోరా హోరీ చూడరా ధీరా.
Adam and Priya have left. I'm unable to see you in this pathetic situation. That fellow Satya has degraded you. Even PR is supporting him. We can't be here anymore. No, we can't. Let's go away.
I have also decided, father and son together have devalued me. I'll demand my share in the property.
You should.
Dad's in massage. He will not see anybody. Go!
Didn't you hear him?
I want to talk to PR.
Talk to me.
This is something I can only discuss with PR.
That was in the past. Now it is me who is sitting over here. Tell me.
I want my money. I want my share in the property.
I don't like to look at your face every day. You're fired from the job. Get lost. What do you think? Is this a government job to get retirement benefits?
Hey, this is not a job. It's the property we earn together.
Are you saying without you PR is nothing?
He's nothing. I want my share.
Okay, how much?
50%. That's 500 crores.
Rupees or cookies? You will not get even 1%.
He's locked for so long. You think Seshu is a slave?
In a card game, Joker is compulsory.
Hey, what did you say?
Hey.
I'm a joker?
How dare you call him a joker?
Hey!
Hey, go and see. Daddy, Sesh uncle is beating up Satya very badly.
You know?
Hey,
You know?
Hey! Hey! What is this,
This
Seshu?
fellow!
Hey! How dare you touch my son? He is not your servant. He is my son.
Hey, Pierre, you know he doesn't know how to talk to me. You know what he called me? He called me a servant.
Is that right?
Yes, Dad. Do you know what he said? He said without him you are nothing. He wants his share.
That's correct. Without me, there is no PR. PR is a fool. He's a joker.
Hey, stop this nonsense. I should have killed you in Varalakshmi's matter. If you touch my father...
Give me that. Hey, what is your demand? Say it again. You want a share, is it? This is my property, my empire, and my son is my heir.
PR.
You are just a servant.
Hey.
Hey. My son alone is enough for me. Go away. Let's get out. Before I kill you, get out. Out. Get out. Let's get out of here. Get out.
Dad, call the doctor, quickly.
Was he disturbed?
A small incident, doctor. After that he is...
Situation is very critical. Tablets won't work. Operation is a must. Any delay could be dangerous.
Thus, let us bury our differences and get together. We have to put an end to PR. Seshu will also join you. You need to help us. Welcome, friend. After 20 years for the first time, PR has grown weaker and I have become stronger. That is why I called you after Bharat told me everything.
For being with him for 20 years, Seshu has been greatly rewarded. Property worth several crores which we earned together has slipped out of my hands.
Your daughter hasn't slipped now? Sorry?
Father and son should be eliminated. I want the entire property. 50% is yours.
A friend has come from Hong Kong with the same idea. Well, son, join us.
Previously PR party. Now we are all one party.
Enemies, our friend. Together we will wipe them out. Then the city will have only one king, Das. Seshu, if PR dies, the property goes to his son. If son dies, the whole property goes to the orphanage. So first the property has to be grabbed. Then we can kill both of them. Hello?
Operation date for PR has been fixed. Chances of survival 50-50.
You be there and keep us informed. Bye.
At the same
PR is
time.
going to be operated day after tomorrow. Chances of survival 50-50.
Very good. Let him die without our help.
Then what about the property?
Huh?
We should do something before the operation.
Correct. Once we have the money.
Like PR killed my brother in front of my eyes, I'll kill his son in front of his eyes.
Super! Guys, make arrangements.
My son, children are equal to God. They are all praying for your welfare.
Daddy, don't worry. The operation will be a success.
See, Dad. You said no relations, no sentiments. See how the children love you. That is what one needs.
Satya, you need to sign the risk declaration.
All of you get out of here. Hey, please, he's on medication.
He cares.
Hey! Don't get excited.
Seshu!
It might send him into a coma. We don't want that. I don't want to go into details. If you want to be alive, if you want your son to stay alive, transfer all your property to me.
If you want his son alive, give all the money to Seshu.
No, I won't. Dad, you are more important to me, Dad. Give it all away. Give it away.
Satya. Oh God, what sentiment?
Hey, lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Proceed with the formalities.
Okay, sir.
Give the power of attorney to your son, your legal heir. He will dispose of it and give the money to me. He has great love for his father. Hey, PR, call Hong Kong, will you? Tell Banerjee to transfer all the money into my account. Banerjee.
Hello. Yes, Banerjee.
Yes, PR.
Transfer all the money to their account.
All the money?
Seshu's account.
Okay.
Account number.
Thank you. Account number 42876. Hey, Asad, Bharat.
Yes, bhai.
You go along with these fellows. Phone me with the details. Bank Hawala, use the entire network.
Okay.
Houses, sites, black money. I don't want to share. I want all the property for myself.
Hey, Seshu, I will give you anything you want. But if anything happens to my father, none of you will be alive. Not even one of you.
Satya, be careful. Be careful, Satya.
Hi, all original notes. Nothing left for father and son. Got the entire lot.
We will take 100 crores and leave him. What do you say? I feel the same way.
Boss, the container has come.
Hey, come on,
Let's go.
Come on. Money. Quick, come on. Yeah.
Hey, somebody, open! Here it is.
Hey, where is the money?
Asad!
Asad?
Hey, Asad, where's the money?
Huh? Where's the money, bhai?
Why are you asking me? Where is it?
Bhai, we kept the entire lot in this. And later what happened was... Bye! Huh? How am I here?
You bastard! What are you blabbering? Where is Bharat?
Pierre is missing, boss. He's right.
Hey, come on, guys. Make it fast. Come on. It's getting late for the shooting.
Hey, why are you removing that tomb? It's my wife's tomb.
All these are settings. The work is over. We are removing it now. Hey, careful.
My son Satya.
You are not my father, nor am I your son. At least now do you understand how it feels to cheat someone who trusted you? Paresh Rai. You made your money by cheating and stealing from innocent people. All that is now mine. Can't understand? Grandpa! Remember? I am the son of Krishna, your bosom buddy who trusted you blindly.
I am still alive. Vengeance gave me the desire to live. I waited 20 years to see you ruined like this. You killed my son and my daughter-in-law right in front of my eyes. You thought we were dead too. My grandson and I managed to escape death. Everybody wants their child to become a doctor or an engineer. But I brought up my grandson with the sole purpose of wreaking vengeance on you. I molded him into a powerful weapon.
You are Satan!
I am Satan, but not your son. I became Satan to get into your gang. Bharat! Also my man. Shiva's son whom you killed. He helped us in our mission and made amends for his father's sins. We found your whereabouts 4 years back. He joined your gang then. I entered later at an opportune time. Got into your good books. I made him put a fence around you. I pushed you in that web to a corner of my choice. You boasted of no weaknesses and no sentiments. I made you a sentimental fool by posing as your son. I planned your breakup with Seshu and totally isolated you. Doctor was a lie, operation a lie, Premalaya, father, children, tomb, all lies. The bash on your head was my gift. You didn't have any disease. That was my creation. It was we who sedated you. You killed my mother and father and made all your money. And I took away all that. I just need a second to kill you. But Grandpa wanted to kill the devil in you. If you interfere in my business again, I will not be like my grandpa.
Hello, I'm Father Abraham. Sorry, Tiwari. I'm a junior artist in films. These are all our artists. I heard that he has taken away all your money. What will you do now? Listen to me. Join us. You'll get 200 rupees daily and lunch and dinner free. He's got expressive eyes. If you can deliver dialogues well, you'll become a great actor and become instrumental for the success of films, okay?
Nonsense! What is this? How could he escape? Fool! Senselessly I got into this group. I should have killed Pierre myself.
I still don't understand what really happened.
Seshu!
Huh?
Pierre!
Pierre?
He cheated me, Seshu. He's not my son.
Pierre, what are you saying?
It's the truth. He is the son of Krishna whom we killed. Raghava is still alive. He separated us, made us fools and took the entire property.
Pierre.
Thus, I need your help.
Even my heart's rival, if he surrenders to me, is welcome. And the person who's asking is great, PR.
Hey, I don't want these friendship dialogues. I want this fellow's life. I want to kill him.
This is what is PR. What is this disturbance in between?
Thus, he exploited my weakness. Bharat made a fool of me. Satya's got to die. How do we do it?
Take him in.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Satya.
Bharat, Varalakshmi and her family have reached our village. After finishing the bank work, we will go there too. You pick up Chinna and wait for us.
All right. I'm starting right away.
The amount received from Hong Kong, money from property sale, cash deposits of 15,000 crores has been credited into Krishna Charitable Trust. You can now start your social welfare programs.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Bharat.
Not Bharat. It's your father. Sorry, it's become a habit.
Hey, hey, hey! Where is Bharat?
Bharat and your Chinna with me. Come to Golconda Fort, give me back my money and save their lives. Otherwise, your Varalakshmi, your grandfather, you, nobody will survive. Come quick!
Bharat, 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 talk to me, Bharat, talk to me. Bharat,
Bharat,
Bharat. Where is Chinna? Where is Chinna?
Chinna is there. Chinna. Save him.
Hey, go see what happened. I will kill him.
Kill him. Come on, kill him! He's your son. Come on, kill him now! After you deserted your wife, it was my grandpa who brought him up. I treated him like my own brother. For the sins that you committed, he is paying the price. I told you, I am not as good as my grandpa.